Come on. K9RMR, that's me. Oh, that's these. Randall. Matthew. Rueff, that's me too. Comcast.net. Okay. Bonus question. Bonus question. For 2 entries. Answer the following question correctly to have your call sign submitted a second time. What do you need to connect a Icom 7610 to a standard PC? Pixie dust? USB AB cable? Ooh, no, that's a good one. Pixie dust is not the answer. I know this. And a sound card, not the answer. External sound card. So it's got to be either a standard USB AB cable, or an OPC data cable. I'm thinking it's probably a standard, but let's look it up. Let's look at it. I want the extra entry. So let's look it up. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Here we look set it up with. Okay, let's no, that's not what I want. Icom America. I speak English in Australia, I think, or do they do Aborigine? Oh my gosh, this could take forever. Probably the index is in the very, very, very back. Alright. Okay, connector information. That's probably what I want. 13.1. Server clock. Connecting. External. No, antenna. DC power supply. Connectors. CW keys and operating picture. Don't know. That's not the answer we're looking for. The problem is, you'll have an advantage in contest engagement profile. Two USB port. I'm going with USB. Okay, let's do this. Let's hope for the best. Yes! Aha! Woohoo! U.S.A. cable. Woohoo! Let's click on this. No, let's go back. I'm looking for a good one to make the video icon art. I use this one the other day. Let's see. That right there would be cool, but I don't know. It's so small, I don't know if it'd even look good. Oh well, I'll figure it out. Until next time, Randall and Rueff, K9RMR saying 73. Haha, I got 2 entries. Haha.